Ito naman ay fish biryani. Ibang version yan. Dinaing ng isda. Then, ayan, fish biryani and my tummy now is day off. That's why I cook a fish biryani but the different kind of fish. I marinate the fish and put in the top of my biryani. My own recipe biryani. Marinated fish, daing, at ipinatong ko sa biryani rice. Layered rice na meron siyang timpla. Ayan. It's look very, very yummy. Thank you guys for supporting my channel and please don't forget to watch, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Kainan na.